How to reset Samsung without passcode. The first and most straightforward route is to leverage the official remote services that are likely already linked to your device, so you can start by heading to the SmartThings Find website on a computer or another phone. Or alternatively, if your device had Google services active before you got locked out, the Google Find My Device site is your next best bet. The key here is that both platforms allow you to sign in with your Samsung or Google credentials, and provided your locked device is still connected to the internet, they will let you issue a remote command to erase all data, which effectively performs a factory reset. This is a great free solution, but it does depend on you having set up those accounts beforehand and your phone being online. If those conditions aren't met, which is often the case when you're completely locked out, you'll need to turn to a more universal method that works entirely offline using the physical buttons on your device. To do this, you'll first want to power your device down completely, and then press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears, at which point you can release them, and you'll be greeted by the Android recovery menu. Once you're in this menu, you can navigate using the volume keys to find and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset, confirm your choice with the power button, and after the process completes, you'll select Reboot System Now to start fresh with no lock screen. If all these free methods prove unsuccessful or feel too complicated, you always have the option of using a dedicated tool like MagFone Android Unlocker, as the screen lock removal feature is designed to wipe out pins, patterns, fingerprints, or face recognition instantly. Once you open the tool, it walks you through powering the device down by holding power and volume down. Then bringing it into recovery by holding power and volume up until the Samsung logo appears. And when the recovery screen loads, you simply navigate with the volume keys to Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Clear the cache with Wipe Cache Partition. Follow it by selecting Yes. And finish the process with Reboot System Now, allowing the device to restart.